to protect your data on Windows, we need to adjust our privacy settings like limit, diagnostic data, add tracking, app permissions, and additionally we should use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentications. Today in this tutorial I'm going to share a few very important things which you can check just to make sure your data privacy is good. So do a right click in the start icon or simply go to the settings, click on start and then go to settings. And here we will go to privacy and security. And now we will go to diagnostic and feedback and toggle off send optional diagnostic data. All right. Frequency, I have selected never. You can change it to once a week or day. Right. Now the next thing is control app permissions, which is very important. So to check that, we need to go to this privacy and securities again, and then we will go to app permissions. Like I'll search here, app permissions. You need to check which all apps are using the location, right? If you see, you can simply turn off, then come back again, then go with the camera, which all apps are using the camera, then go back and look for the microphone, right? So you need to check this. This is very important and very good actually if you want a better privacy. Now the next thing is disable ad tracking. Now to do that, again we need to click on this privacy and security, and then we will go to recommendation and offers here under privacy and security, and turn off personalized offers, allow websites to access my language list, improve start and search result. Let window start and search result by tracking which apps I open. So turn this off. Advertising ID, let app show me personalized ads. Once you're done with this, thing is under privacy and security is ink typing and personalization. Get better suggestions, custom dictionary using typing. If you want, you can toggle off. This is good. And here we have done the diagnostic feedback. Now we'll go with the search. Now store my search history on this device to improve search result. So you can toggle off if you wish, and allow Windows search to provide result from apps services you are signed in with your personal. So you can turn that off as well. Find my files classic, which is fine, and that's it. And one more thing which you can do, that's a bonus tip. At the bottom right corner, go to your Windows security, just do a double click on that and make sure all the check marks are there, like the virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall. If anything is pending, you can do that. So for me, a quick scan is due and I'll click on that. So this quick scan should not take more than a minute or two, and then I'm good to go. And virus and threat protection updates. So the last update was 4th of December, like yesterday, and you can also check the security intelligence version. So updating this is also a very good thing because you are updating the definition of Windows security. And once you are done with this, you can simply restart. And do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If you have any query, any concern, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to reply. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.